Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your 3Dconnexion CadMouse Compact wireless to macOS. There are two methods other than Bluetooth, a wired connection, but most Macs currently don't have a typical USB type A port, so you will need either a cable that goes from your micro USB on the mouse if you have the micro USB version. If here you have the USB-C, you'll need just a cable USB-C to USB-C, but if you have the micro USB here, then you need to connect a cable that is USB-A to USB-C to micro USB. Then there is the second method, which is connecting with wireless transmitter. But wireless transmitter, there is one in the box, a little dongle that you can plug in, that is for USB-A. So you will need an adapter from USB-A to USB-C if your Mac doesn't have a USB-A port. Older Macs do have it, so it's also worth noting. And to connect it that way, make sure that your mouse is turned on, then click on this button to switch to the transmitter mode, and it will connect. Now let's go to the third method, which I'm gonna do here, the Bluetooth connection. To do it, turn the mouse on, make sure that by clicking on this button, Bluetooth is selected. Then, before we begin, go to this option right here, the control center, then go to Bluetooth. You can also just find Bluetooth in settings. I'll go to Bluetooth settings anyway, so go to the settings application, then go to Bluetooth and make sure it's enabled, then put your mouse in pairing mode by clicking on Bluetooth pairing. It'll start blinking a bit faster, then on your Mac, select CadMouse, click on connect. And now it is connected, you can see it all works. It's also worth downloading the software, but for the software there will be a different video on it, so that software lets you customize things like, for example, the buttons, what the buttons do. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.